Hey everyone, welcome to another Bev and Ryan hotel tour. Today, we're in the heart of downtown Los Angeles, exploring one of the city's most historic and stylish hotels, Hotel Figueroa. This iconic property blends 1920s charm with modern luxury, and we're giving you the full tour, from our cozy suite to the relaxing pool oasis and the various dining options this hotel has to offer. Valet parking is the only option, which costs a steep $62 plus tax. The hotel first opened in 1926 as a safe haven for women travelers, funded and operated by the YWCA, which was groundbreaking for its time. The check-in desk is right by the entrance, and as we walk through the main hallway, we notice the various art pieces hanging on the walls, which include pieces by female artists in honor of the hotel's heritage. The staff here was welcoming and check-in was quick during this busy weekend. Room rates go for around $300 a night during the weekends, but can get much higher during special events in the area. We are on the 10th floor and we're making our way to our room. Let's check out room 1012. This is a junior suite here at the Hotel Figueroa. So, as soon as you walk in, you have the coffee and tea area, where they provide a couple of bottles of water. And what kind of pods do they use here? They use these pods. I don't know what brand that is, but that's what they have here. And below is a fridge. Let's see how to open this. I'm not sure what this top part is for because it's not even cold. It looks like it's just a shelf, but that's the fridge right there. And a very tiny closet. There's a safe up there with iron and ironing board. And there's a luggage rack right there with a bunch of hangers. So pretty small closet. Let's close that up. And let's check out the rest of this room. It's pretty dark in here, so it's kind of weird, but that's what it is. So here's one of the TVs. Looks like a 60-inch screen with a spacious office desk if you need to get any work done. And this chair has casters, so it's very easy to move it. In the small living room area with a small chair, coffee table. Oh, there's another small table here for drinks. And this small couch here. This does not have a sofa bed, but someone can sleep on there if they want to. But no pull-out sofa bed. And there's another small table beside that. And here's the king-size bed. So let's check this out. So they do have a bunch of, well, not a bunch of plugs, but they have the plugs on this side and on the other side. So it has 2 outlets and a USB-A plug on each side. Just another storage drawer. So here's a second TV. It's a smaller one, but that's interesting to have 2 TVs and you can see them right there. There's a big one out there in the living room, small one here in the bedroom. And let's check out our view. And not much of a view here. It's just this building across the street. Actually, let's check out the view from this side. Not much of a view either, just the building still. And there's this curtain here, so if you want privacy, but it doesn't provide much privacy. You can close this up to separate the living room and the bedroom. Now let's check out this small bathroom we have here. So it has a sliding door for privacy. Let's open that back up. It has dual sinks and this very large oval mirror. And what do they have here? So they have a vanity kit, shower cap, and a bar soap, a bunch of towels, hair dryers down there. And let's see what's on this door. There's standard toilets. And let's check out this shower on the other side. And there's a rainfall shower with a handheld option as well. And these are the products they use here. Further, I've never seen that before, but that's what they use at this hotel. So, what do you guys think about this room? Let us know in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at the dining options inside Hotel Figueroa. Our first stop is Café Fig, the hotel's all-day restaurant, which features a menu focused on locally sourced ingredients and elevated comfort food. For breakfast, we started with a matcha drink and freshly squeezed orange juice. The avocado toast was solid, but the real standout was the chicken and waffles. Crispy, tender chicken, paired with perfectly fluffy waffles. The food here was good, and we suggest you check it out during your stay. Bar Magnolia is the hotel's elegant lobby bar, serving classic cocktails and small plates in a warm, vintage-inspired setting. Deme is the new restaurant offering Mediterranean-inspired cuisine with flavors from the Eastern Mediterranean and Aegean regions. It has an upscale yet relaxed vibe, perfect for a romantic dinner or stylish night out. For our unique dining experience, check out Le Petit Chef, an immersive dinner that blends gourmet food with playful 3D storytelling for a meal that's as entertaining as it is delicious. One of the highlights of staying at Hotel Figueroa is definitely the pool. This oasis in the middle of downtown features relaxing lounge chairs where you can enjoy outdoor cocktails and bites from Café Fig or Bar Magnolia. Right beside the pool is La Casita, an urban oasis lounge and cocktail bar. It features Mediterranean-inspired cuisine paired with a great selection of handcrafted cocktails. I'm at a very small fitness center here at the hotel, and I think this is the smallest hotel gym I've ever been to. So let's see what they have here. So in this closet, they have some yoga mats in here, some medicine balls, dumbbells, there's your water station, a couple of Peloton bikes, a single treadmill with some kettlebells over there. There's a single bench, and this cable machine. And they have some adjustable dumbbells, some power blocks, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, what do you guys think about this very tiny gym? I mean, at least they have one. The main reason we stayed at Hotel Figueroa is its unbeatable location. It's directly across from LA Live, the Crypto.com Arena, and the Los Angeles Convention Center. We had tickets to the Lakers game, and it took us only 2 minutes to walk to the venue. So, if you're in town for a concert, a sporting event, or a convention, you honestly can't get any closer or more convenient than this. Overall, we had a good stay at Hotel Figueroa. The staff was welcoming from the moment we arrived, and the service throughout our stay made everything feel easy and relaxed. Our suite was cozy and comfortable, the perfect place to unwind after exploring downtown LA. Breakfast at Café Fig was a wonderful way to start the day, and we definitely recommend trying it during your stay. And of course, the location can't be beat. If you want to be right in the middle of all the sights, sounds, and energy of downtown LA, this is the place to be. So, what do you think of Hotel Figueroa? Let us know in the comments section, and if you enjoyed this tour, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future travel adventures.